Nothing is more important for us than our baby's health. We often find ourselves working out best ways to keep our baby safe and secure in a hygienic environment. So when it comes to cleaning baby bottles, accessories, or even fruits and vegetables, there is no compromise. And the Luvlap liquid cleanser from the house of Luvlap is perfect for this. It is made from 100% food-grade ingredients, is non-toxic, removes pesticide residues in fruits and vegetables and milk residue from feeding bottles and accessories. It has no artificial colors and is also biodegradable. Baby bottles and their parts tend to collect dirt, dust and milk residue very easily, leading to unwanted and harmful bacterial growth that can affect the baby's health. Hence, it's important to follow a proper cleaning process of the bottles, but not with regular dishwashing liquids, as your baby's immune system is delicate and it's still developing. Hence, the cleanser should be void of any harsh chemicals. Thus, it would be a better idea to use a non-toxic antibacterial cleanser like Luvlap liquid cleanser, which is derived from natural resources and made specifically for cleaning baby products, as it's gentle on the bottle and chemical-free. The Luvlap liquid cleanser ensures that the feeding bottles are squeaky clean and rid of any breast milk or formula residue and germs that can cause infections. While rinsing the bottles, ensure that the cleaning liquid is washed off properly and the intricate areas of the teats and other parts of the bottle are washed thoroughly as well. And ideally, use hot water for washing. The Luvlap liquid cleanser can also be used to clean other baby items such as teethers, pacifiers, feeding accessories and toys. In fact, the cleanser also ensures efficient cleaning of fruits and vegetables by removing pesticide residue. Keeping the baby safe from infections is the top priority of every parent. We hope that the Luvlap liquid cleanser will help create a healthy and hygienic environment for your baby. Thank you and goodbye.